Yo, I met this girl and she's nice. You play both games and she know I roll the dice. Favorite food is actually rice. Before she met me, he used to be lonely. Her friends were bees. So please wait, probably get it washed. Bye. P. Diddy! Yeah. One for the money, one for my mommy. Yo, wait. Shut up, man. Nobody likes you, bro. Bro, you made a deal with Pete. Deal, for real. Okay, you made a deal with Lucifer. And now I got a bunch of burns. Little curls. Yo, I think I'll fall just. I think I'll fall. Just gotta. I think I'll fall. Cause I gotta answer. Cause I got the curl. And then. Explosion!
Do you know why you're being interviewed?
Well, you know the guys in the backgrounds?
Yeah?
Well, I killed them! I killed them all!
Escort him! Escort him now! Out! Take him out now!
Hey, I'm gonna kill you next!